Welcome to another UBC Library Skills tutorial. This video will show you how developing a strong research question will make doing your research projects much more effective and efficient. Developing a strong research question can help direct your project or paper towards answering a specific question about the subject in a meaningful way. Without a research question guiding you while writing your paper, your assignment may become a simple summary of facts on a topic rather than a thoughtful discussion of an issue. Before you start developing your research question, it is important that you already have a research topic. Your research topic should be moderately specific. For example, a research topic like gambling addiction in North America is better than a research topic that is simply gambling addiction. This is because it will be difficult to write an essay on such a broad topic. With a broad topic, many thousands of information sources will be relevant, and with so many details to cover, it will be much harder to include any evaluation of your sources in your discussion. The result will be a broad, general summary of your topic with little analysis, which will likely disappoint your instructor. Just like with your topic, your research question should be quite specific. Developing a narrow research question requires a little bit of creative thinking. Try to imagine your completed paper as a response or answer to your research question. If the question is not very good, it will be hard to come up with a good answer, and therefore a good paper. This means that you should avoid a question like, "Are some people in North America addicted to gambling?" This is because you could simply answer this question with a yes, no, or an I don't know. When you are trying to develop a more specific question, it can be helpful to use your own experiences to guide you. But what if you don't have any personal experiences with your subject? If this is the case, you can enhance your understanding of a subject by consulting background sources that can give you a good overview or summary of a topic. One type of background source you might want to consider is an encyclopedia. Encyclopedias cover many different topics in relatively brief detail. You can find encyclopedias online through the UBC library. For example, you could perform a search for the keyword gambling. To more easily find encyclopedias in your search results, simply go to Refine, select More, and choose Reference Materials. After clicking Apply, you will see only reference materials which include dictionaries, handbooks, and encyclopedias. In these results, you will find an encyclopedia called the Encyclopedia of Adolescence. This encyclopedia includes an article about gambling. In this article, you read that female adolescents, or young adults, are less likely to be addicted to gambling than male adolescents. You can use this information to narrow down your research question. Thinking back to your research topic, you had already included a where, North America. You can apply this same formula to develop your research question. You can try adding a who from the source you read, in this case, adolescents. Finally, you also want to know how gender is related to your topic. So, your question now becomes, what is the relationship between gender and gambling addiction among adolescents in North America? This seems like a clear, specific question, and you cannot simply answer it with a yes, no, or an I don't know. The question requires a much more detailed explanation. In this video tutorial, you learned how to refine your research topic and turn it into a research question. You also learned how a research question helps guide your research essay by forcing you to answer a specific question about your topic that requires a detailed answer. Finally, you learned how to find and use reference materials, like encyclopedias, to improve your background knowledge on unfamiliar subjects.